Hi guys, good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am working on my home tour and decide I want to give you a sneak peek of my entryway. Now this deer came from Hobby Lobby. These fabulous birds, they are all glammed out. Love, love, love them. I got them from Hobby Lobby as well. And my candle holders, glam candle holders, they came from Ross. I am so pleased with the way that this entryway table turned out. This floral arrangement I created myself from some of the floral from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. Now, I am ecstatic to share with you the rest of my home, but until then, I hope that you'll enjoy this time checking out all the decor that I have for my entryway. Now I must tell you that these two snowmen, well, one is a girl and one is a guy. I've had them since my children were little kids and still have them until this day to share with my grandson. I am so thrilled that I'm able to still keep these things and share them with my grandchildren. Now, I hope that you will leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts are on the decor that I've chosen for this year. I want to share with you that most of the wall art that you will see in my home tour and in my entryway, we created them together, and I am so thrilled to be able to incorporate them into our home decor this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you were able to glean some ideas. If you did, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your support. I look forward to sharing with you my home tour coming up soon. Okay guys, I'll see you soon.